August 30th, 2020. The table shows the proportions of pupils attending 4 secondary school types between 2000 and 2009. Secondary school attendance: 2000, 2005, 2009. Specialist schools 12%, 11%, 10%. Grammar schools 24%, 19%, 12%. Voluntary controlled schools 52%, 38%, 20%. Community schools 12%, 32%, 58%. The table compares the percentages of students who attended specialist, grammar, voluntary controlled and community schools from 2000 to 2009, respectively. Overall, the percentages of learners in community schools experienced an upward trend, while students of specialist, grammar and voluntary controlled schools showed a downward trend throughout this time. As shown in the table, the proportions of school children going to community schools increased significantly. In 2000, 12% of pupils attended these schools, and then this percentage surged to 32% in the next 5 years. The students going to community schools rocketed to 58% in the year 2009. However, the proportions of students in voluntary controlled, grammar and specialist schools dipped during 2000 to 2009. In voluntary-based schools, over a half percentage of students appeared in 2000, but their proportion plunged by 14% in 2005. This again plummeted by 18% and reached to 20% in 2009. The same trend was followed by the percentages of students in grammar schools. In 2000, 24% of students admitted. They decreased to 19% in 2005 and fell down to 12% in the year 2009. When it comes to the proportions of learners in specialist schools, they also fell, but negligibly. In 2000, just 12% of pupils joined, and they shrunk by 1% in both the years 2005 and 2009, respectively. Words 210, Band 9, C.P. Connell. Task Achievement 9. Coherence and Cohesion 9. Lexical Resources 9. Grammatical Range and Accuracy 9. August 27, 2020 / question prompt. Art is considered an important part of a society as well as an expression of its culture. Do you think it is important to be taught art? Do you think children should be encouraged to focus on art rather than other subjects? There is a common belief that art plays a fundamental role in society as artists are able to express their thoughts and their culture in their work. In my opinion, youngsters should definitely learn art to develop their creativity, but art should not be taught to the detriment of other subjects. There is one main reason why juveniles should learn art in their school life. The reason is that teaching art to children helps to promote their creativity or imagination. This is because without the development of imagination and creative thinking, children will struggle to grow into dynamic and independent thinkers in their later lives. Due to this reason, teaching art to children seems highly inevitable. Nonetheless, children ought not to be inspired to prioritize art over other subjects. This means that other subjects such as physical education, science, and mathematics have their own significant roles in order to make children well-rounded. More specifically, teaching physical education to children may help them how to be physically fit. And teaching science and mathematics may help children to be more rational and quick problem solvers related to real-life situations, for example, addition, division, subtraction, and multiply. Therefore, it seems like that children need to have a balance of all subjects so as to facilitate a healthy development both mentally and physically. In conclusion, while I believe that teaching art to children is undoubtedly a good idea, I also feel that motivating students to focus on art rather than other subjects is an illogical attitude. This is because all subjects have a great role in the overall development of a child. Given this situation, children should be encouraged to focus on all subjects for their all-round development. Words 286, Band 8.5 CP Connell. Task response 8 to 9. Coherence and cohesion 8 to 9. Lexical resources 8 to 9. Grammatical range and accuracy 8 to 9. British Council Certified IELTS Instructor and Valley and Vitrakuti, Educational Consultancy, Bag Bazar, Kathmandu, Nepal.